Morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. I have a Toyota Cresta here for sale. It's been 1jzgte non-vvti swap twin turbo. It's really clean. I'm just gonna give you a quick shot around the car. The car's on sale right now. I just personally just drove the car, and even a baby could drive it. AC is running ice cold right now, and everything. Let me give you a little rev, and I'm gonna go around the car and show you. Take a look at this. All right. Good, you heard that, right? Now look at this. Shifter, everything. Interior is really clean. All right. Turn the light on so you can see. That's the interior. Really clean, really clean car on the inside. On the outside is clean also. Take a look. Let's say the car is for sale. The car is for sale. Okay, so Toyota Cresta. The car is for sale. So hit me up, let me know if you're interested. Okay? Let me know if you're interested. The car is for sale. Let me see if I can fly the hood right here so you can see. Good. So here we are going back around the car. Oh, going back around the car again. Let's say the car is for sale right now. 5-speed manual transmission in it. Okay, as you can hear, that's the engine right there running. Let's fly this hood. All right. So here you go. I'm saying it's really clean. Look at that. Intercooler piping professionally done. Front mount intercooler inside the front of the car right here. You don't need anything to make this car drive. There's no smoke coming out the exhaust. I was actually shocked. Right? Okay, it is really clean. Take a look. 1jzgte non-vvti. Okay, take a look down in here. Good. Engines you're getting on eBay, not that clean. Take a look at that. And you know that there has been nothing washed down here. Nothing. No oil leaks. Nothing. Nothing. So yeah, the car is for sale. Let's say it's stock twin turbos. It's a fast car. No smoking, none of that shit. All right, so hit me up. Let me know if you're interested in purchasing the car. Man, if I had the money, I would purchase this car for myself. It feels really damn good. Really good. Really good. I am really shocked. There you hear right there for yourself. See, and it comes back down and idles perfectly. All right, so let me know if you're interested in the car. I'm gonna post the price for the car in the description stuff. So just let me know if you're interested. All right, we're going for a ride in the car. It's only like 6-7 pounds. Oh my God, this thing moves. Yeah, you feel a squat. Yep. Yep.
That's a low boost.
Oh man, you know the boost is turned all the way down.
I know.
All the way down.
I know. and I'm still not flooring it.
Holy shit! It feels really nice. It's smooth. It's not bad.
Once we get the alignment done, and obviously
everything should be perfect.
And then once we do the suspension.
Yeah, you got that right there.
You able to punch it?
Yeah, when you want the straight. Get a red line?
Yeah.
Oh,
it was.
You did a whole. Okay.
You saw it was.
Yeah. But look, as far as I see, it's not passing 10 pounds. 8-9 pounds of boost. That's it. It's not going no further than that.
It's the toe arm. How it happened with the tire.
Nah. I pulled some off of it. Hey, Anthony, hear this? Yep. It's pulling all right. So, huh? Oh, I see him. So I'm gonna give you an update on this. This thing is nice, man. This thing is really nice. The boost comes on really good. You know everything. Yeah, it's really nice. Really nice. Just adjusted the suspension and re-bled the brakes and whatever. That cast manifold, man, with that Borgwana turbo, it feels really damn good. Really damn good. Really damn good. I actually love how that car feels. hear that. Come here, 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 come here. Come here, man. Let me take a video of that. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. What is this? Woo! I want a woman to drive it. You see that, Sasha? Oh my God. That's a Pagani huayra.